Hi, and welcome to jayhudgins.com Tech Tips channel, where I upload all kinds of very helpful networking, telecom, and VoIP tutorials to help you in your business or your hobby. If you like what you see here and you find these tutorials helpful, please subscribe and click that bell because I'm constantly uploading very helpful content for the general public to use. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to program port forwarding on a Mikrotik 750R2 router. Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company that specializes in almost everything telecom. This company is US Tech. For years, US Tech has been an industry leader in telephone systems, SIP protocol gateways, voice over IP, and UC client. US Tech has a reputation of giving over-the-top tech support, and right now US Tech is giving away free Yealing VoIP phones for every seat that you sign up for. They can even pre-program a system and have it shipped right away while they stay on standby for any reasonable assistance necessary. Is your phone bill too high? Let them drastically reduce your monthly bill using SIP protocol. Just click on the link in the description below to get a free quote and even a callback if needed. That's US Tech, your one-stop shop for everything telecom. They do it all for you. Now, the first thing you want to do is log into your Winbox. We're going to use Winbox. If you're not sure how to download this to computer, just go to my channel and look for the video called How to Log In and Program a Mikrotik Router. So we're going to double click on that, and username and password. Okay, you want to have your Mikrotik set up statically. This is just for general purpose use only. But that's how you want to do, so you can hit this public IP address or static IP address when you're trying to connect to your devices that you're port forwarding to. So the first thing you want to do is go to IP, and then you want to go to Firewall. You want to click on Firewall Rules and click the plus sign for New Rule. You want to go to the General tab here, and chain right here should be set to forward, which it is. So how do you know what your source address is? Well, you can go to ipchicken.com. Looks like this. And the address that comes up after you enter ipchicken.com is your source address, whether it's at your home or your office. So let's go back to our Mikrotik. So put the address that you just saw from ipchicken.com here. We're just going to use made up address right here. Say 250. And your destination address is going to be the address of the device that you're trying to port forward to, such as a telephone system, a VoIP phone, another router, a computer, whatever that destination address is. That's what you're going to put there. So and the protocol that you're going to use is 6TCP, so put that in there as well. And that's all you need to do on this page for your general new firewall rule. You're going to click Apply and OK. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to Action and make sure that Accept is selected. Apply that and press OK. You know, in today's job market, it's always good to have a backup plan for making money, or sometimes you might just be tired of working for someone else and you think it's time to be your own boss. Well, my friend John Crestani has been helping guys like you and me become wealthy for many years now, and he has a free training course that shows you step by step how to earn a six-figure side income online. That's right, side income. You can do this and still keep your day job if you want to. Just click on the link in the description below to get your free training now. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to the NAT tab, click the plus sign for Add New, and under the General tab, we want to change this change that to DSTNAT. And we want to skip the source address and destination address because we've already put that on. But the protocol we want to use is 6TCP. And we want to put our destination port at 8080. And that's all you do for the General tab. Click Apply, because we want to go back to the Action tab. And instead of the Accept right there, we want to choose DSTNAT. And our to address is going to be the address that we're going to use for our device, whatever that is, whether it's a PBX or a VoIP phone or a computer. So I'll just put just for video purposes. And your port, you're going to use port 80 for this, the 2 ports, and you're going to click Apply. It says invalid IP address, and that's right. So I'm going to fix that and click Apply. Click OK, and you can X out of this. So now you can see your new port rule, your NAT rule. And what you want to do now is go back into IP and Firewall, click on Filter Rules, and you're going to scroll down and see your rule down here, your forwarding. Now it won't work if it's in front of these drop forwards. So what you want to do is click on this and drag this up to so it's above all the red X's. So you just drop it there, and then you're done. You should be able to, by hitting this address, your IP address, your static address, and click :8080, you should be able to hit that destination address of the device that you port forwarded to. So that's all there is to it. You're going to put this :8080 in your web browser, and you should be able to hit that destination address that you just set up. Now the reason I use these Mikrotiks is because they're pretty easy to use. They're robust. They do a lot of things that the more expensive routers can do, but these are only about $40-50 to buy. If you're interested in buying one of these, you can click the link in the description below and you can help a brother out. But that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and click that bell for more upcoming videos. God bless.